Omwe wa maundu maria makoretwo magicokia na thutha githomo thiini wa ngathi ya secondary ni kwaga kuhe arutwo othe mieke iganaine ya mathomo. Arutwo thukuru-ini imwe makioneka kugunika makiria gukira aria angi. Kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni gikundi kia USAWA agenda, mutaratara wa thirikari wa kugayania thukuru thiini wa ngathi itiganite niguo ucungireirie utiganu munene wa kimathomo gatagati ka arutwo thukuru-ini cia gikiro kia iguru muno kia national na thukuru cia gikiro gia thi biu thiini wa sub county. Akiaria hindi ya kurekereria riboti ino, murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki ndagitari Emmanuel Manyasa atariria ati thengia ya kwamukira kigina kiria kinene kia ukuria thukuru cia gikiro kia national ciri na maita matatu ma arutani hari o ithomo riria rigeragio kigeranio-ini kia muthia ukiringithania na thukuru cia gikiro gia sub county.
National schools have 7 teachers for every examined subject. Sub county schools have 2 teachers for every examined subject. And nationally, the average is 3 teachers for every examined subject in a school.
A child in Nairobi has electricity, ad-lib, 24/7. There are parts of this country where you don't have electricity. So that child, when they are studying for KCSE or KCPE, will only afford to study during daylight.
Kuringana na riboti ino, gicunji kia 20 hari igana tu gia thukuru cia gikiro gia sub county nicio ciri na laboratories cia mathomo ma biology, physics na chemistry ukiringithania na gicunji kia 90 hari igana gia thukuru cia gikiro kia national.
The sub county schools generally own the shared lab where you have everything in the same laboratory.
The report has really talked to a larger extent on issues that would aid performance, even including capitation to schools.
Ona thengia ya mwerekera wa thirikari wa mathukuru gutiga kwenderia aciari uniform, riboti ino ihithuritie ati gicunji kia 16 hari igana gia thukuru cia national no ithiete na mbere kwenderia aciari uniform na gicunji kia 7.1 hari igana gia thukuru cia sub county uniform ici ikiendio gatagati ga ciringi 5,000 guthie na iguru.
That 20% of the schools that don't supply uniform still direct parents on where to buy uniform. They sent them to particular suppliers. But the remaining 80% of them ask parents to buy uniforms wherever they can buy.
What you're saying about schools ordering for uniforms, let them consider that the parents are very, very poor. They always have the right to order, but they consider when they're asking parents to pay, how expensive or how cheap are they?
Riboti ino oho ikihithuria ati thukuru cia sub county nicio itongoretie na gicunji kia 22 hari igana kia arutwo aria maratiga mathomo ona thengia ya mubango wa thirikari wa mathomo matari marihi.
The extra county which has 0.5 extra county is even lower than the national at 0.5%. And then when you compare by residency again, day schools are the highest dropout rate.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.